like what has happened. As of now, everyone is under treatment and taken care of. So around 50 people have been reported injured. So they are shifted to Azido Hospital and GMC and they are under treatment. Some were very minor injuries. They have already been treated and discharged. Unfortunately, 6 casualties are reported. And no one needs to panic. Everyone has been taken care of. And government administration, everyone is under ensure that nothing happens to those victims or the families. The support from everyone.
As of now, you got any identify of why this has happened?
We are investigating.
As of 6 casualties. त्यांच्या मागे किती झालं?
मागे त्यांच्याने काय झालं ना मग त्याला ओढून उदक बी मारले काढले बाटले
हां आणि
बेशुद्ध पडले 108 गाडी यायल्या
तो आला ना आणि
रातची
मागे
आणि मागीर ह्याला आम्ही हॉस्पिटल व्हेले शेवटीन घेऊन गाडी 2 तास मग ठेवली
कोणी काढलं त्यांच्याकडे
त्यांच्यानी दोनांनीच काढले बाकीच्यांनी पोलिसांनी काढून ना